Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change currency on CoinGecko application using your smartphone. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open the CoinGecko app on your device and log in. Once you're logged into CoinGecko application, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, tap on the currency option. Tap on where it says manage under default currency and choose two different currencies, one fiat currency and one cryptocurrency. If you already have selected different currencies, you can unselect it first and then select your fiat currency first and then your cryptocurrency and click on save currency at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your default currency on CoinGecko. CoinGecko will instantly update all crypto prices to that selected currency now, and there you have it. That is how you easily change your currency on CoinGecko. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.